Thank you for purchasing the Sentry 202T floor scrubber. Please review the operation manual before using the Sentry 202T and understand all the safety precautions. If you need a copy of the operation manual, you can download it from Hillyard.com. Let's take a look at the controls and display on the Sentry 202T. The key switch in the middle of the machine controls the main power. Above the key switch, there is a meter that displays the remaining charge and usage hours. On the right side of the panel is a dial that controls the drive speed. On the left side of the panel is a button that puts the machine into eco mode. We will also use this button to remove the brush. More on that later. The levers on the handlebars activate the brushes and drive motor. Pull towards the handlebar to drive forward. Push away to go in reverse. The lever below the key switch raises and lowers the squeegee. On the left side of the machine by the squeegee there is a valve that controls the solution flow rate. Finally, there's a foot pedal on the right side of the machine that raises and lowers the scrub deck. To put a brush or pad driver on the machine, raise the deck off the floor using the foot pedal. Then place the brush on the floor and position the scrub deck over it. Use the foot pedal to lower the scrub deck. Pulse the levers on the handlebar until the brush attaches to the machine. Fill the solution tank with water using the port at the front of the machine. The Sentry 202T holds about 10.5 gallons of solution. Add cleaning solution to the solution tank. See the cleaning solutions label for the proper dilution ratio. To adjust the solution flow rate, turn the valve located at the rear of the machine. Turn the valve to the left to decrease solution flow and to the right to increase it. To drive the machine forward, first turn the speed knob to its lowest setting. Next, turn on the main power switch. Squeeze the levers on the handlebar to drive forward. As you're driving forward, increase the speed to the desired level. To drive the machine in reverse, first raise the scrub deck and the squeegee. Next, push the levers on the handlebar away to drive the machine. To scrub the floor, follow these steps. Turn on the main power switch. Using the foot pedal, lower the brush deck. Use the lever to lower the squeegee. Squeeze and hold the levers on the handlebar. Increase the drive speed to your desired working speed. Scrub the floor, overlapping each pass by 2 inches. This machine has a ball float to protect the vacuum motor. When the recovery tank is full, the ball float closes off the airflow. Drain the recovery tank to continue cleaning. The Sentry 202T can be set in eco mode. Press the button on the control panel to engage this mode. In this mode, power to the brush motor and vacuum motor will be minimized to save energy. When the work is complete, follow these steps to clean the machine and put it into storage. Drain and rinse the recovery tank. Inspect and clean the float. Reinstall it when done. Leave the recovery tank open to air dry. Completely drain the solution tank once per month. At the back of the machine there is a strainer above the squeegee. Remove the strainer to empty the solution. Clean the strainer and reinstall it on the machine. To remove the brush or pad driver, first use the foot pedal to raise the brush deck. Next, press the Eco Mode button twice. The letter S will appear on the battery meter and the brush will spin and fall off the machine. Clean the brush or pad driver under running water and leave it to air dry. Remove the squeegee from the machine. Clean and inspect the blades. If they are damaged or worn, replace them. Allow the squeegee to air dry. This procedure is for flooded lead-acid batteries. Machines equipped with AGM or TPPL batteries do not need maintenance. Flooded batteries contain acid that can harm your skin and eyes. Always wear protective clothing, gloves, and goggles when handling batteries. If acid contacts your skin or eyes, flush it with water immediately. Keep flames, sparks, and metal objects away from batteries. Charge batteries in a well-ventilated area. Do not lay objects on top of the battery to avoid short circuits. Turn off the main power and activate the emergency stop before starting battery maintenance. Check that all cable connections to the terminal are properly tightened. Inspect the battery cables for cracked insulation. Replace damaged cables. Inspect the battery terminals. Clean them with a wire brush if they are corroded. Inspect the battery water levels before charging. If needed, add just enough distilled water to cover the plates. Replace the vent caps before charging the batteries. Charge the batteries by plugging the female plug into the machine and the male end into the wall outlet. If fully depleted, plan on this process taking up to 12 hours. After fully charging the batteries, add distilled water to each cell until the level is about 1/8 of an inch below the bottom of the vent well. After watering, secure the vent caps back on the batteries. If the squeegee blades are torn, you can replace them without any tools. Turn the wing nuts horizontally and remove the plate holding the blades in place. Remove the worn squeegee blade. Flip the squeegee over and remove the plates and blade from the other side. Replace the blades and reassemble the squeegee. If the squeegee assembly is not performing correctly when cleaning, you can adjust it. To adjust the squeegee angle, follow these steps. To make this adjustment, you will need two 10mm wrenches. To adjust the squeegee angle, first hold the adjustment bolt and loosen the jam nut on the bolt located on the left side of the assembly. Turn the adjustment bolt to the desired position, then tighten the jam nut to secure the bolt in place. To adjust the squeegee height, follow these steps. Place a spacer under the wheel on the squeegee bracket. Loosen the nut on the wheel until the wheel can move in the slot. Tighten the nut to clamp the wheel in position. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit Hillyard.com or contact our expert technical service team at 877-445-5927. At Hillyard, we specialize in the repair and preventive maintenance of all major brands of cleaning equipment. With service technicians throughout the United States, we're ready to help keep your machines running smoothly. Contact us today to schedule a repair or consultation.